Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. Mexican fajita recipe. This video will detail the fajita for 4 people. Materials needed to make fajita. 500 grams of beef antrift or steak. Half glass of mineral water. Half a glass of milk. Half a glass of olive oil. Black pepper. Salt. Lemon. Soy sauce. Balsamic vinegar or grape juice. Red hot pepper and green pepper. Garlic, tomato and onion. To be used for cooking grilled pans. To be used for cooking a normal round pan of vegetables. Prepare the meat 3 days in advance to make this meal. Add half a glass of milk to the large mixing bowl. Add a little more olive oil at half a cup. Add a little too much mineral water from half a cup. Add some salt. Add black pepper. Add half a lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Stir thoroughly. If you use beef tenderloin 1 day and if you use antrift at least 3 days. Separate the white portions on the meat as I show you only black meat. Slice in 2 centimeters thick. Add sliced meats to your sliced meats. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. Close the cover and keep the meat in this position for 3 days. Press with your finger to check the softness of the meats. If you can easily pierce it with your finger in this way, the meat is ready to cook. Remove the meat from the moss and dry it. Vegetables must be prepared and cooked before meat is cooked. Remove the seeds of the peppers. 2 onions off. Slice the onions thickly. Slice peppers in thick. Peel garlic and mace it a little. Add some olive oil to the pan. Chopped onion, green pepper, add red pepper and garlic. Close your lid and get some sweat. Add salt when the vegetables are a little soft. Add some black pepper and soy sauce mix. Wait a little while to warm up the grill pan over the fire. Add 4 slices 60. Wait for 80 seconds for flush. After 60 to 80 seconds, turn the meat and fry the other side. Now it is not completely cooked. You have to cook another round in thinner slices. Add meat to the pan and then close. Grate 1 tomato. Veggies ready and very few to be ready for meat. Slice the meats thinly on the wooden board. Add some olive oil and stir. Use a large pan to completely cook the meats, or you can fry the meats in hot oil. Wait 60 to 80 seconds and turn the flesh. Add soy sauce. Add salt and black pepper. Add the cooked meat to the vegetables. Rest your meal for 5 minutes and serve it with toasted bread. We came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you in another recipe.